earthmine technology is comprised of 8 digital cameras that are fired simultaneously every 10 metres as the recording vehicle travels along the client's road or rail network. GT has been recording earthmine imagery for the past 3 to 4 years across Australia, and the earthmine camera system has been used to record track imagery across networks in Queensland on behalf of Queensland Rail, rural Victoria and Metro Melbourne, as well as large sections of the Tasmanian Rail network. The earthmine image viewer software is quickly installed on client desktop and laptop computers so that users can access earthmine imagery that's hosted in the cloud. Earthmine imagery is presented to customers as a series of 360-degree panoramic image scenes that have been recorded at a 10-metre interval along the client's railroad track. The earthmine desktop viewer has a very simple and intuitive set of commands across the top bar, including an interactive map. As users pan around the 360-degree photo, an orientation cone displays the current orientation of the panoramic image. Users can interact with the map and jump to specific sections of the rail network by selecting any of the green panoramic dots from the map. The viewer quickly jumps to the relevant panoramic, and once again a 360-degree photo is displayed. A very useful feature within the earthmine viewer available from the top toolbar is the measurement function. This function allows users to take measurements between any pixels to any other pixel within the panoramic image. Here we will do a 3-dimensional measurement from the outside rail to the bridge pile that you can see. We first select the measurement mode, 3-dimensional, a vertical length or a horizontal length. In this case we'll choose 3D. And then we select the first point from the panoramic and then drag across to the next point within the panoramic, and we can clearly see that the system has taken a measurement of approximately 2.34 metres. As well as completing virtual site inspections, the earthmine viewer is also a great tool for users to complete basic asset mapping. As each pixel in the panoramic image has an accompanying 3-dimensional coordinate, users can quickly build up an inventory of trackside assets that can be saved into a CSV file for sharing or exporting into other systems. Here we have navigated using the map to the Grice's Road level crossing. The tagging function of the viewer is selected, and then a list of pre-configured assets is available. These are all configurable by the user. We have already set one up to map level crossings. By checkboxing the level crossing icon, minimising the map, and then navigating towards the centre of the level crossing, we can then place a tag at that level crossing location that automatically saves a coordinate to the file and then prompts the user to complete some basic attribute information that has already been set up. Once the level crossing has been mapped, the symbol stays within that panoramic as users navigate around the network. A final piece of earthmine viewer functionality that we will show is a list of tagged assets that GT has already coordinated across the Tasrail network. GT surveyors using the earthmine imagery have already recorded the kilometre post marker points throughout the network, and this will be an invaluable tool to TASROL users when they are orientating themselves. The earthmine viewer, importantly, also has a magnification function accessible using, for instance, the wheel on the mouse, so that if you are mapping signage, you can clearly see the text written on the sign, as well as other information that might be relevant to the feature that you are mapping. All of the kilometre posts are visible in the imagery, as well as displayed, superimposed on the earthmine map, showing the TASRAIL earthmine imagery extents. In this example, the kilometre posts have been highlighted with a simple turquoise thumbnail feature.